Hi, everybody. I am the Draped Jester. I am from New Orleans, and Thogarn Arm has assigned me to make another Name That Sound game. So let's name that sound for the third time in a row. Let's begin. Name this sound. 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 Oops. Name that sound. Name this sound. Name this sound, please. Name this sound. Name this sound. How about this one? Ooh, can you guess what this sounds like? What it is? Name this sound. Name this sound. Fuzz.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep.
Beep! You know what that sounded like? What about this one? Can you name this sound for me, please? How about this one? How about this one? Can you name that? How about this one? Name this sound. 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 Thanks for playing. Comment the answers. Leave a video response, like video, favorite video, or subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.